What's up, weirdos? Good morning. All right. So, another beautiful Monday, guys. A great start to the week so far. Bitcoin's looking strong, Ethereum's looking strong. We got some DCA opportunities across the board, and we are going to talk total two. We're going to talk Bitcoin dominance. We're going to talk about what Trump's latest and greatest is, and so much more. We got a new partnership with Clearpool that we're going to discuss. Keep it locked in, guys. We also got a JASM update. All right, let's get into it. So on the weekly, we look gorgeous, but on the daily time frame, TARS AI, Crow looks good, Forta looks strong. BTC is up. Going to the broader market again, you got some DCA opportunities out there. Farm on a little bit of a drop today. I don't want to call it a crash, but a drop today. Good DCA opportunity on Veracity as well. Veracity's been kind of beat up. Not financial advice. GFAL and Beam are looking great. Gaming tokens, right? Toshi's in the green. Telcoin is up. Let's go even broader into the top 100. Lido, Pump, looking strong. Pi up. ETH up. Crow up. Not bad. Everything else in a prime DC opportunity. Of course, the best of the best. Fartcoin, a little bit of sarcasm there, guys. Chill out. Looking like a good opportunity if Fartcoin is in your crosshairs. So, JASM up 1.5% also. So, the altcoin market, not bad, guys. Not bad. Again, zooming out to the weekly, altcoin market looks sexy, okay? Let's go have a look over at the Bitcoin chart. What do we got going on over there? All right, so Bitcoin holding strong above $120,000. Massive rally yesterday, all the way up to $122,335. Guys, in 2 days, Bitcoin went from $116,447 to $122,335. That is a monster return right there, guys. A big move, V-shaped recovery. We got back above the 30-day, which was my primary concern. Now, what we want to do is we want to start closing a daily candle above that level right there, 119,965. That is our high. That is our all-time high closing for candles. So if we can close above that today, we will officially be putting in the highest daily close in Bitcoin history. So that is what we'll be paying attention to today. Can we do it? Well, I mean, there's still about 8 hours left in this daily candle, so we will see. We could drop all the way back down to the 30-day to test it before this day is over, or we could be even higher. We could retest 122.3 again. So we'll see. We'll watch as the day plays out, guys. We discussed it over on the live stream this morning. We will be doing another live this afternoon, 2 o'clock p.m. Central. Make sure you're there for that. We'll get an update on the charts. Let's go have a look over at Ethereum. All right. What is Ethereum up to this fine day? So if we can zoom in here so I can make it big enough for you guys to see. Ethereum looking strong, guys. Looking good. Bit of a little bit close to a spinning top candle here. Not quite, but close, right? Now we're testing the highs again. We keep getting as high as $4,329 and then wicking back down again. There's selling pressure up there. We clearly have a sell wall there where people are taking profits. Bears are trying their best to suppress the price, which is fine because they'll fail eventually, right? My next target is up here at $125,000. That's why I have this little golden pocket here. That's where I'm targeting. But Ethereum so far has a nice, big, thick daily candle happening. $4,315, $4,316 and climbing 17. Looking fantastic, guys. Let's see where we can close Ethereum's daily candle. We want to close up here, guys. If we can close above, I would guess if we can close above $4,329, I think that we're going to shoot back. We're going to have another leg up today, guys. Could be fantastic. We'll see what happens. Another thing we need to be paying attention to on the charts. All right, let's get into some of the news, guys. See what's going on out there in crypto world. Quick shout out to the channel sponsor, though, Decent Biometric Wallet. Simply use our link down in the description to get yourself a phenomenal deal. There's a 2-for-1 offer on the Decent wallet. You're not going to want to miss out on that, guys. You can swap, take profits right on your Decent wallet. You can even stake, gaining APY without your crypto ever leaving your custody. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. Keep your crypto safe. Keep it off of exchanges. Let's go have a look at some JASM news. As per my guy Blake, my dude, you love him, you know him, over on X, JASM, 95,129 holders. We have officially jumped up over that 95,000K holder range for JASM. Very, very bullish. Another milestone. We are less than 5K away from 100,000 holders for JASM. Let's get this party started, guys. Let's light this fuse. Let's move it. What do we got over here? We got a Clearpool update, guys. If you're over on the Patreon, you know Clearpool, one of our favorite decentralized finance plays. Clearpool has partnered with Cecita, an institutionalized PayFi lending with risk-managed credit pools. It is an on-chain credit risk management company founded by a seasoned team of former buy and sell side credit professionals. Cecita's co-founders have deep crypto lending expertise, having underwritten $850 million in loans at 1.2% default rate during the prior cycle. As part of the collaboration, Cecita will underwrite PayFi lending opportunities, manage risk on behalf of lenders through Clearpool's port vaults, and serve as an administrative and monitoring agent for select credit pools. Absolutely fantastic, guys. I will go deeper into this later in a separate video, but as you know, Clearpool is a lending protocol, so this is very, very important to have this next partnership, guys. I am extremely bullish on Clearpool, if I have not made that clear enough already. We will go have a look at the Bitcoin dominance and stuff in a minute, guys. A couple of quick notes in the news. Breaking Trump's World Liberty will be buying $1.5 billion, that's billion with a B, worth of altcoins to establish a new treasury with the NASDAQ-listed Alt 5. Alt Season 2.0 is confirmed. Now, I know Bitcoin maxis are screaming into a pillow somewhere right now because they think that only Bitcoin matters. But unfortunately, that's not the case. We got the shakes that'll make you quake, baby. And also, Trump Media filed an amended S1 for Truth Social's Bitcoin ETF, holding Bitcoin directly with Crypto.com as their custodian. Interesting that they're going with Crypto.com and not Coinbase. Coinbase is garbage, in my opinion. But anyway, let's go have a look over at the Total 2, holding strong, guys. Actually making a leg up here. 1.56 trillion. It was 1.55 when we were live earlier this morning. As you can see, we broke out of the bull flag up past resistance at 1.51 trillion, and we have since held support here at 1.55. We're now moving up again 1.56. If we go over to Bitcoin dominance, which is huge because Bitcoin dominance, as you can see, spiked up. But the Total 2 did not crash down. And as you can see right now, Bitcoin dominance actually kind of starting to curve to the downside again here. We broke back above the old resistance. It was support. Then it was it was support. We fell below it. It was resistance. We've since smashed above it. I wouldn't say smashed, but we're above it right now at 60.60%. We're only 0.07% above the support level. So I think this is a dead cat bounce on the Bitcoin dominance. I do think we're going to see a break to the downside here. It's going to continue to work its way down as the Total 2, just as I showed you, took its next leg up. So everything's looking good for continuation to the upside here, guys. And as I've told you guys before, just because Bitcoin dominance is going down does not mean Bitcoin's price is going to go down, right? That's not how it works. Bitcoin dominance going down only implies that the altcoins are starting to outperform Bitcoin in terms of price appreciation. That doesn't mean Bitcoin's going down. It just means it's going up at a slower rate than the altcoins. So stay tuned here, guys, for the latest and greatest. And listen, if you are new to crypto, if you have never been through a bull run or an altcoin season before, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who have been through multiple bull runs and can help ensure that you're getting out of this market with your profits intact. Why would you risk it, guys? Do not get left behind. Do not be a bag holder. Join our community today. Is less than the price of a cup of coffee, my friends. It's absolutely absurd to not want to be a part of it at this point. We have thousands of members over there. Everyone's helpful. Whether you need help with exit strategies, portfolio structure, profit-taking plans, hot wallets, cold wallets, and everything in between, reading charts, understanding the macro, the mental and emotional aspects of this space, we are there to help guide you through all of it. We give you the tools to succeed in this space. Check it out today, guys. Again, the link is down in the description. We're live every day. We drop microcap gems, I just pulled a 37K swing trade just the other day over on the Patreon as well. So you don't want to miss out on these opportunities when they present themselves, guys. Get over to the Patreon today. Again, it is less than the price of a cup of coffee. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.